Hi there. Wanted to quickly show you how to get data from Kafka into any data warehouse using ingestr. So here we have a local Kafka instance. I have created a topic called ingestr test. It has 3 partitions, just 4 messages inside of it, 3 messages in one partition and 1 message in another partition. So we have this cluster running locally. What I'm going to do now is to simply go into my local terminal to basically run the command. So I have nothing in this folder other than a Docker compose file. I'm going to run a command that will ingest data. So you can see we have Kafka set as the source URI. It takes bootstrap servers, which can be 1 or more, and it takes a group ID. Group ID is effectively the consumer group ID that's used to track the Kafka consumer group and the partition offset. The source table is the name of the topic, which in our case it's called ingestr test. The destination URI is DuckDB with it's a database called Kafka.duckdb. It doesn't exist, and the messages are going to be written into a table called test.messages. So when I run this command, it will immediately start pulling data and put the data into our Kafka database in 3.8 seconds. So what I'm going to do now is basically to first take a look at the destination table structure. As you can see, it has brought in information about the partition, topic, offset, the details about the timestamps and the data itself. And when we run a select on the data, you can see that it brought both of the partitions with different topics and their offset information, as well as the timestamp and the message themselves. So this is the data that lives in the message. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my Kafka instance, and I'm going to publish a 5th message to a different partition this time. So when I produce message, the message is published. This time I'm going to run the same command again, and it will quickly pull the new event and load the data into DuckDB. So when I run a select again, as you can see, it brought in the new 5th message into our DuckDB database as well. Which means you can simply run ingestr as a cron job somewhere, or you can run it in your Airflow cluster, or you can use Bruin Cloud to bring your data from your Kafka topics into your data warehouse. It can load it into DuckDB, BigQuery, Snowflake, Postgres, whatever you use for your data warehouse, basically. So, hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching it.